Numbers beyond lakhs. We know that greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakhs 99,999. We get 1 crore by adding 1 to 99 lakh.
1 with 7 zeros read as 1 crore is the smallest 8-digit number.
9 crore 99 lakhs 99,999 is the largest 8-digit number. If we add 1 to this number, we get 10 crores.
10 with 7 zeros is read as 10 crore is the smallest 9-digit number.
We also read 30 with 7 zeros as 30 crore, 50 with 7 zeros as 50 crore, 90 with 7 zeros as 90 crore, 99,999,999, 99 crore, 99 lakh, 99,999 is the largest 9-digit number. If we add 1 to this number, we get 100 crores. 100,000,000,000 read as 100 crores is the smallest 10-digit number. We also read 300,000,000,000 as 300 crore, 700,000,000,000 as 700 crore. Try to understand the place value chart for first 9 digits in Indian numeration system. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. In 1, there is 1 digit. In tens, there are 2 digits. In hundreds, there are 3 digits. Similarly, in 10 crores, there are 9 digits. To make easy to read large numbers, we first divide into periods starting from the right. The first period consists of 3 digits, called units or ones period. All next periods consist of 2 digits only. Next period consists of 2 digits called thousands period. Next period also consists of 2 digits called lakhs period. And similarly, the next period also consists of 2 digits, which is called crores period. Thus, the number 48 crores 74 lakhs 36,247 would be written as 48 74 36 247. Example 1. Write the numeral separating the periods. A. 57 crores 84 lakhs 37,846. B. 8 crores 49 lakhs 38,752. Solution. Step 1. Start from the right to left. Step 2. First, make group of 3 digits, then each group of 2 digits. Step 3. Insert commas between different groups or leave space between different gaps. Example 2. Express each of the following numerals in words. 34 crores 27 lakhs 80,802. Solution. We can express it as 34 crore 27 lakh 80,802. Example 3. Write the numerals for each of the following. 5 crore 26 lakh 85,194. Solution. 5 crore 26 lakh 85,194